is over. Tiebreaker. So give it up. Give it up. I honestly, there's been a lot more battles, straight up a lot more battles. If you didn't make it to the finals this time, make it to the finals next time, y'all. That's all we practice, right? What else do we do all day? I mean, shit. All I do